Hi, in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the BoatTracker bot, and I'm doing this using Facebook Messenger on my home computer, but we can also talk to the bot using SMS text messages or Skype, and you can go to BoatTracker.net to get the links and phone number information for each of those. So I've reset my account with the bot so that I can go through the login process just like I would if I were a user coming in for the first time. So I'll just say hi to the bot to get the conversation started, and it's going to ask me to identify myself. And because the bot can talk to multiple different rowing clubs, the first thing I have to do is tell it which club that I'm affiliated with. Now for this demo, I'm going to be using a test club that I use for software development, and its initials are PNW. Now it will ask for my username, and I'll enter that, and finally it will ask for my password. So once I've gone through this process, the bot knows who I am, and it can make reservations and manage everything on my behalf, and I never have to go through this process again. So this is just a one-time process. Now the first thing that I might want to know is what are the boats that I have permission to use with my club. So I can say, what singles can I use? And it will come back and show me a list of the boats that I have permission to use. So let's make a reservation for one of those. So let's say, reserve the Hudson tomorrow at 2 p.m. for 1 hour. Now you notice the name of the boat is Red Hudson, and I just said Hudson. So in general, it will be very flexible in the way that you refer to boat names, as long as the name is unique. In this case, there's only one boat with the word Hudson in its name, so that was sufficient to specify the boat. So it's asking me to confirm that it's gotten everything right in my reservation, and that looks good, so I'll just say yes. And now it tells me that I'm all set up. So the reservation is ready, and now when I show up to the boathouse tomorrow, all I have to do is say rowing. I can just say rowing, or I'm ready to row, or going out. It's very flexible. And then that will tell the system that I've arrived, I'm using my reservation, and I'm actually going out on the water now. Now, many times you'll come to the boathouse and you won't have a prior reservation, and you just want to choose a boat and go. And there's a shorthand way to do that so that you don't have to separately create a reservation and then check in. So I can just say, rowing Hudson for 1 hour. And now it says that, yes, I don't have a reservation, but it will make one for me now. And it asks me to confirm that information again. So I'll just say yes. And now it will tell me that I'm checked in, I'm good to go. And all I have to do is say done rowing when I get back. So especially if you're a private boat owner, that'll be the fastest way to come in and get on the water when you're ready to go out. Now, whenever I'm done rowing, it's important to say done rowing or check in or I'm finished rowing. And that tells the system that you're done, you've completed your reservation. And then on the status page in the boathouse, it'll take you off of that on the water list. And that's important for safety reasons, so everybody knows that you're back in and safe. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is how to check availability of a boat. So I can ask what boats are available tomorrow. And now it's going to check all the reservations, so I can see now that there are 4 reservations tomorrow. There's the one that I just made for the Red Hudson, but there are 3 others that I made a few minutes ago. So that's a very quick way. I can also ask about a specific date, and I can also provide a boat name. So if I want to say, is the Hudson free on Thursday? I can do that, and it'll show me any reservations for the Hudson on Thursday. So that's really about it. It's very simple to use. In general, this is going to be faster than going to the BoatTracker website to make your reservations and do check-ins. And if you have common reservations or requests that you make over and over, you can just copy and paste those within your text message app on your phone. So for things that you do a lot, you don't even have to type them again every time you come to the boathouse. So I hope that's a good overview. There are more features. Go to BoatTracker.net for a full description of everything that the bot can do. But I hope this gives you a good overview of the main things. Thanks.